IBM just laid off 8,000 workers. AI did it. By 2027, 300 million jobs vanish worldwide. McKinsey data. This is not speculation. This is happening now. Customer service roles collapse first. Amazon automated 52,000 positions last year. Accounting disappears next. 47% of finance work becomes redundant by 2026. Ernst & Young confirmed it. Data entry dies. RPA software replaces 89% of repetitive tasks. Microsoft reports it monthly. Your job might be next. Check your role. Does it repeat daily? Does it follow rules? Does it require zero creativity? Then AI owns it. Radiologists face 78% job displacement. Healthcare transform arrives fast, but new roles emerge too. You must upskill now. Learn prompt engineering. Learn AI tools. Learn data analysis. The 2027 cutoff arrives regardless. Your income depends on action today. Reskill or become obsolete. That choice belongs to you. Thousands already retrained successfully. You can too. Start learning tomorrow. Start today, actually. Every skill gained matters. Every day counts down. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. AI every day.